So the question was, cutting veneer, can I do it? Well, I was able to cut a veneer at roughly 1/8 thickness, and this, I believe, is popular. But the problem is it's not consistent. Another end of the board is roughly 1/16 of an inch. This should be a problem. But I went ahead and took the next step and boiled this piece of wood in the microwave for roughly 4 minutes, and you can see that it started to warp. When I tried to bend the veneer over a piece of wood, it started to crack, and then I backed off and I said, hey, it cracked here, let me try again. And lo and behold, it cracked there. And I said, oh gosh, but if I try again from a different angle, maybe it won't crack. But guess what? It cracked. Big surprise. So I stopped recording the video, and then I took a picture of this piece of wood, and you can see on this side it's darker on the edge, but when I broke it in half, you can see the other half there by my gloves, you can see that it is lighter on this side. So I don't think I quite boiled it long enough. I might try again later, and so stay tuned for part 2 of this wonderful series. Finally, just remember, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10, good job.